Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a meal plan in Notion. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, Notion is a very useful tool which you can use for a wide variety of purposes, such as creating lists, meal plans, and so on and so forth. And I would wholeheartedly recommend that you check it out if you didn't already, because it is very useful for managing your time, managing your habits, managing pretty much anything you can think of in your entire day, and pretty much creating trackers on each and every possible topic. Now, to create a meal plan, what I will be using is a table. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, I'm using the Notion desktop standalone version. You can do the same on the web version as well. However, that is just so you know what this is. And to create a meal plan, you want to first go into add a page. And once you're here, you can then enter a table. Let me just search for templates real quick if there is possibly a meal planner. Yeah, there is a meal planner template. You can use that. As you can see, this is what you can use that meal planner for. This is what it looks like. However, I will show you an alternate way of how you can do that. You can just go into table and go into new database to create a new table. Let's say meals, and here you can edit your table however you would like. Let's say this is day, and then you can just enter the days of the week, such as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then you can add, let's say for example, check boxes such as breakfast and lunch. Let's say like that. Create a checkbox. And now you can also, I think, edit these checkboxes textually. At least I thought that you can. It looks like you can't, but you can just replace it with text and so on and so forth, and then you can just check them off if you have done them. You can also just create another textual column, you could just do this, create a textual column, and then just denote what that is next to it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.